So as a plastic surgeon, I'm using Thermi to bridge the gap between non-surgical treatment options for patients and then what I do as a surgeon. So there's many patients that don't want, to have surgery at the downtime of their expense, and so it's an excellent tool for me to be able to offer to patients who are not quite ready for surgery, or maybe who have had surgery and they're looking for another treatment option.
Thermi is an incredibly valuable addition to the practice. You look at patients who don't quite want surgery, but a laser and non-invasive procedure is not quite enough. You can get half a facelift without a facelift, minimal downtime. Not very much swelling. You can drive in, you can drive home, and you can go back to work pretty quickly. It gives great results on the face and neck, and we've started to use it all over the body.
Thermi has been a great addition to my practice. I actually get a chance to use all the different services with Thermi. I love my ThermiTight, I love my ThermiDry, I love my ThermiSmooth, and the new ThermiRase. All have been fantastic tools in my toolbox for both men and women in their facial or body rejuvenation.
For ThermiVa, life-changing, completely life-changing. They come in for complaints of urinary incontinence, and then they realize that the external rejuvenation and tightening improvement is just a big confidence booster.
With the ThermiDry, now I've done before Botox for hyperhidrosis, and I can use now a technology that can give me basically with one single treatment a long-lasting result.
And one of the things I like the best about Thermi is that it leads to a significantly natural, beautiful result. You don't look overdone, you don't look over tight, you don't have lumpiness and bumpiness in telltale areas. You look smooth and natural and beautiful at any age, and that is my goal for my patients.
One of the interesting things about Thermi is it allows us to treat a lot of men. Because the things that bother men are the turkey neck and the hanging jowls, and the last thing they want is a bunch of incisions that go around the ear. So with Thermi, we can address that, and we can shrink that fat, and we can tighten that skin. And so we're happy that we can now contribute to the other half of the gender group in improving their self-esteem and their feelings about themselves.
I am a common sense kind of person. If it makes sense to me, it makes sense. It makes sense for my patients, it makes sense for our practice, so we invested in it. So it has grown because it delivers the results, undeniable results, and it's sexy actually. When you see the floor camera and the monitors, my patients love it. I feel like I'm doing high-tech technology like in Star Trek. That's how I feel when I do Thermi. It's the best thing I do in my office. I love it.